Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today, I'm going to be sharing an exciting new update to Easel, offsetting shapes. Essentially, what this allows us to do is create a new shape by selecting an original shape and either widening the shape to create a shape that is the same profile as our selected design, but outside of it, or shrinking the design and creating a shape that's the same profile, but shrunken inside of the design. And we're going to look at two cases here really quickly, and we'll showcase how to use the tool. So to start, I'm going to select my object, this radar dish. If I right click on it, I'll get a drop down menu, and one of the options will be offset. When I click on that, I'll get a dialog box that appears that says offset shape at the top. I'll be able to select the distance of my offset. In this case, I'm going to do 0.25. And then the direction. Inward will shrink the shape. Outward will widen the shape. So I'm going to select outward and apply. And now I've got a new object or a new shape outside of my original design that matches the profile of my original design, but is its own unique shape. I can grab it and move it around, or I can use it as a cut outline for my design. So if I change the cut depth to 0, now it's cutting out my design. So I've got something that matches the profile and is just automatically like a specific distance that I want from it, allowing me to cut out the design. This would work really great in tandem with the outline bit, allowing us to just create the outline for it, and then that bit's ready to go to cut it out. Another really great use case for this is I've got this copy of Lake Michigan. If I click on it and then I right click and select offset, this time I'm going to change the distance to 0.15 and inward and apply. So now I've got an object that matches the shape of my original design, but it's inset slightly on my original design. I can then change the cut path to clear out a pocket and reduce the depth. And then if I select the new shape, offset it again, and again change the cut path to clear out a pocket and reduce the depth more, I get a tiered layer effect on my lake to simulate the depth of the lake as it moves towards the center and gets deeper. And it's not necessarily geographically accurate, but it does give a cool effect as to kind of what you would see as you move deeper into a lake. So that's two use cases for the offset shape tool. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.